I baked you a pie.
Oh boy, what flavor?
You must die!
I like
Ballin'!
I like trains.
Gullible. It says hey on the ceiling.
Oh, so it does. Yes, my lungs.
die, potato.
Not today.
Haha, they said I could never teach
A lot to drive.
No, llama, no! Doctor, I think I might be a homosexual. How can you tell?
What are you, a man? Or a man? Or a...
Hey kids, I brought you some cookies.
I like trains.
Desmond there. How? The end.
fight.
No, wait!
I'm allergic to adorableness!
What are you up to, sus?
I like trains.
Yes, you do. Hey, you know who's hey?
I can't wait to eat this bagel!
Yes, you can.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
I can't read.